We'll begin covering this street sparrow. For covering the street sparrow, the tools that you need is Fevistick, it's a normal Fevistick, and a knife to cut the paper, and a scale. Now what we will do is, we will cover first the wing, because the wing is the most difficult, because it is having a sharp bend areas. There are two sharp bend areas. So we will first cover the wing, and then we'll do the fuselage, and then the elevator, and then the rudder. Okay, so clear the table. Now we have two strips of paper here that has come in the kit. One is orange and one is black. So we can use these two colors in a combination that will make the plane look good. So now what we need to do is, whenever there is a sharp bend in the model like this, in the wing has a sharp bend here because of the dihedral angle. Now when there is a sharp bend, we should not try to cover this entire stretch of wing from this end to this end in a single paper, in a single sheet of paper. But what we need to do is, we need to do it in three pieces of paper. One piece for this section, that is a mid section, and one piece for this extreme section, and another piece for this extreme section. So whenever there is a bend, don't try to pull a paper over that bend. Use three different bits of paper whenever there is a bend. Okay, so let's do orange color for the mid section of the wing, that is from here to here. The mid section of the wing we will do orange from here, and this tip we will do black. That will make the plane look very attractive. Now take the scale. What you do is, take the measurement of the paper that you need to cut. We only need the mid section, we are only going to do the mid section. So what you do is, here, this is the mid section ending, and here you leave about half centimeter extra, front half centimeter extra, and bottom also something like about half centimeter extra. Okay, so something like this, and then cut the paper. Try to do it in maybe 2 or 3 strokes with the blade. Don't try to achieve it in a single motion, you may wrinkle the paper. Okay, so you now remove it. Now this is the width we need, and this is for the top, we will use the other one for the bottom of the mid section. Okay, so paper is nicely cut. Now what we need to do is, keep this paper aside. We will first cover the bottom of the mid section. Take the Fevistick glue, and you need to apply glue on all the parts, that is the leading edge, the trailing edge, and the bottom of the spars that is flat. Here, each spar you need to apply. The trailing edge, apply 3 strokes, 3 or maybe 5 strokes. Ensure that there is enough glue on that. And the leading edge, again ensure enough glue is there on that. And the last rib of the mid section, again apply a lot, like this. And the ribs, other ribs, inner ribs, just apply a little bit. You don't need to be applied too much there. Yes, now the glue was applied in the mid section of the rib. Now just keep this paper on the table. Don't try to keep the rib. This is the wrong method, trying to put the paper on this. To cover the bottom, what you need to do is, keep the paper on the table, and then just gently lower this glued part onto the paper like this. And then run your finger on the trailing edge gently, and the leading edge and the ribs. Just apply very mild pressure. So and now what you do is, turn it over and just gently apply some pressure, and then smoothen the paper. Now the paper is applied to the bottom of the wing mid section. Now let it dry. Don't touch it now. Let's look at covering the bottom of the extreme portions. So for that, again take the measurement. Always leave about half a centimeter extra, So this is the width. Now when you're covering the extreme portion, this black paper has to overlap that orange paper. So you see here, I'm not keeping it this way exactly, but I'm leaving some extra here. Okay, let it overlap and then take the scale. Yes, and then remove the part. Now that you know the width you need, and cut it. Cut it again in slow strokes, maybe 2 or 3 strokes. Yeah, that way you will not tear the paper and you will not wrinkle it. Yeah, now this is done. So this is for this side. Cut this in half and we can use the one for the other side also. Okay, so now what you need to do is, for the extreme portions, start with the paper where you have covered, that last rib that is in contact with this paper. Apply lots of glue there, and then the trailing edge of the extreme ends, leading edge, just support it with your finger like this. Yes, and the last rib, apply lots of glue, and then the inner ribs as well. So now glue has been applied. Now same way, just keep the paper down. Now this medium midsection last rib has to overlap with the black paper. Let it overlap like this and then hold it. Okay, this is flat, so this wing is like lifted here. The midsection is lifted at an angle. Now just gently press. Gently press, very very gently. Don't try to put your entire weight on it, it will break. Now take it. It is stuck. Just with your finger, gently just smoothen it, applying very mild pressure, and the glue will get stuck. Same way apply here. Now the model is covered with paper, the wing is covered with paper at the bottom. Now before covering the top, we need to remove the excess. This is the excess that we will remove using sandpaper. Okay, but let it dry now. So now this wing has been drying for about 10 minutes now. We will see how to remove this excess paper. To remove the excess paper, you need sandpaper and some cylindrical thing. I am using a Fevistick. Take the Fevistick, put the cap back on, keep this sandpaper on this just to hold it. The Fevistick is there just to hold it. Okay, hold it like this, the sandpaper. Yeah, hold it tight like this. Yeah, now what you do is take the part that you want the excess paper to be removed from. Now keep the paper, keep the part like this, and on this corner, there are these corners here, these corners, there you keep the sandpaper at this angle and start rubbing back and forth. Very gently and slowly start rubbing, and you will see the paper getting cut at that point in that corner. See this? The paper gets cut. Yeah? So do that. I'll do it here. There is a bigger strip here, you will be able to see clearly. Along this corner, keep this at an angle, not like this, not like this. It should be at a 45-degree angle, and start rubbing. Make clean, smooth strokes. Don't try to press too much. If you press too much, the part will break. Okay, when you are rubbing, you will see the wood here. The white line will come, that is the wood. You can see the wood, which means the paper has got cut. See, now if you just pull, the paper will get totally cut. It's a smooth cut. You see this? Better to use sandpaper and not knife, because one, sandpaper is safe, and also it cuts very clean close to the wood at the corner where we want the paper to get cut. but be very smooth while rubbing sandpaper. If you apply a lot of pressure, you will break the part. Okay, so you see this? It's coming up very nicely. Yes. So now here again, everywhere where there is excess, just use sandpaper at an angle, but be very gentle. Just a little bit of pressure and the part might break. Yes. So that's how you cover, and that's how you remove the excess paper. Let me just show you how to cover the wing top. It's the same way like we did. Now keep it on the table and then apply on the trailing edge, upper spar, leading edge and the ribs. Again begin with the mid section first. Mid section is from here to here. Apply about 3 to 5 strokes of glue on the leading edge, trailing edge and upper spar, and on the last ribs of the mid section. This is the last rib this side and this is the last rib this side. So apply glue. Yeah. Now this is for covering the middle. Start from the trailing edge or the leading edge, whichever you are comfortable, and just keep the paper like this and then stretch the ends of the paper over like this. Okay, take it in your hand if you are comfortable with that, and just stretch. This side you stretch and this side again you stretch, and while stretching just run your finger on the trailing edge, the leading edge, and the wing upper spar and the ribs, just very mildly. If you apply too much pressure, you will create wrinkle. Like if you apply pressure like this, you will create wrinkle like that, see. So don't apply too much pressure, just very little. Mildly stretch the paper like this. Yeah. Now apply on the last rib of the midsection, apply glue. Here the overlapping paper has to overlap, and then lift the wing one side so that this side is flat. If it is flat on the table, you can apply glue very easily. That's why you need to lift one side like this. Yeah. Now take this bit of paper, overlap it, keep it again flat, and just stretch the paper like this. Run your finger, take it in your hand and then just apply very mild pressure. Now it is totally covered. Same way this side. At the last rib you apply a lot more glue, because that is where the paper will try to come out. And take this bit of paper, overlap on the last rib of the midsection, stretch it like this. Yes, now it is totally covered. You can remove this extra again by using sandpaper.